out and try to see what we can see, and then if we don't, they're on the property, so we'll just get in the brush and push them out.
Push them out.
If we have to.
All right.
I'll get dressed out.
I know it.
Yeah. Go get a freaking slam. That finished him. Awesome, I'm a terrible recorder.
That's right. I looked at it for a second. I was like, is that a calf? Because the way it wobbled, it looked like a calf for a second.
That's a big hog, man.
Yeah, they're both big.
You're going to be eating off.
Damn, that is a big old hog. We're not going to be able to take all this.
No.
That's a lot of pork.
Yeah.
You guys want any?
Let's prop them up on their legs, take a picture or two. The sun is where? No, it's really good.
Right here. Over my shoulders.
She is big.
What a fatty. 308 would have done it in half the shots.
Oh, somebody hit her in the foot.
That's why she was.
Shot, Jeff.
There, she's up. I don't like the way that looks at all.
Yeah.
Dress that up a little bit.
That one looks like a little blood behind the head.
That's a good size hog there.
That ain't about, see, that's about your normal size hogs, really.
Really?
125 pounds,
the mane on that
150,
son of a
150
bitch.
pounds, a good hog.
You ever see a mane that good?
That is a nice
That
hog.
fucker's prime, you guys. Son of a bitch.
Dude, well, they just make, not that I'm promoting, but they make hellacious mounts.
Really?
I might know someone who can do all that.
Yeah,
too, not that I'm promoting. 100 mounts a year.
Right.
Right. Two a week.
But really, both of them, even though the smaller one's not got the huge size, but the hair and stuff is where it's at. If you get one that's bald and stuff, then they don't look good.
Right.
Her head is big, and this other one's got the hair that when you mount them, though, they just look different. They're better.
You videoing?
I am.
Yeah.
The other one's down.
I'll go get it.
It's already filming.
It's filming, still filming. Just keep rolling, huh?
Yeah, just keep rolling.
Well, it looks like to me, I'd say about a 150-pound hog and maybe a 300-pound hog. That thing's huge. 250 at the very minimum.
Let's put them on our scales.
Do we got new scales?
I thought you fixed them.
Nah, we'll have to. So Jeff, and it ain't Jeff Works. So I was wrong on
Jeff
that.
does work.
But Jeff Works, yeah. So here it is, spring. It's almost turkey season. They herd turkeys, saw turkeys, or herd turkeys. You see them or
Can you
both?
Can you turn that gun sideways? There you go. And maybe put the sling in behind it.
You know what? I'll be
There you go.
a good shooter and show you it's unsafe.
So this morning we could have had turkey, we got hogs, and we could maybe find some mushrooms. That'd been a productive morning.
Yeah, nice.
That's right. Here comes Roger.
I made you coffee too. It's part of our hospitality package.
I know that was awesome. I got up and I saw your light was on. I'm like, oh man, they're on it.
Early risers.
Okay, guys.
Now you know you're in my phone as Roger Blackhawk.
Blackhawk.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's how you come up, Roger Blackhawk.
Jeff Hog Hunter. So.
Well, is that how I come up on your phone? Awesome, cool. That's fun. Now, do you want any still shots, or can you pull still shots from your video?
That's it. We're videoing. We're Hollywood.
Okay, well, good deal. Well, Rick,
I want some more still shots.
well, you get your still shots. I'll video here. So I'm gonna.
That gun is not visible enough. Can you put it on the other side of you?
Sure.
Yeah. Or even, can you
That
guys,
hog got hit in the head too.
Sling
Like this.
Okay, I got enough video that I'm gonna turn the camera now. Okay, I'm just joking.
or can you put the gun like set it on
Let
the
me
knee,
narrate
up in the
this.
air?
Like this.
Yeah. Yep, and then sideways so you get the whole just the weapon sideways. Yeah, turn it to 180. There you go. There you go.
What is today? April
Excellent.
5th?
Right there. There you go.
It's April 5th.
And then Rogers.
Okay, I'm gonna quit. I'm just being dumbass.
And slide back a little bit. There you go. Yeah.
I think
mean,
Jeff
that
needs to
hog is
get.
big.
I think Jeff needs to get behind the hog. It'll look massive. Or
Yeah, mount it.
no, just right there. Well, you could do that. There you
There
go.
you go.
I like that.
All right. There you go.
Because these are going to be some awesome pictures.
Right here's a good. Right here's a good photo too,
Good angle.
because the broad side of the hog.
Can you pick up in it?
I cut it out on the video, but and the massacre. Here's the blood spot.
I videoed the whole shooting going down.
Good deal. Yeah. Awesome.
Here's the massacre spot right here. Carnage at its best. You got enough? Let's see. You might as well back right on up now.
Sure, I didn't want to get it under the pictures, you know.
Yeah, exactly. No,
This thing is nuts on. I will.
there were some muddy hogs. Them hogs have been in the creeks or ponds, wherever they've been. They've been doing some laying and wallering. Yeah,
Well, they're dead now.
yeah. Their wallering days are done. So, Jeff, is that your first hog?
First hunt.
Oh, first hunt.
First hunt.
Cool.
First real hunt.
I see now why you were saying you wanted him to shoot first.
Yeah, it's kind
You're being the gentleman here.
That's right.
My gosh.
of breaking them in.
Yes, he was.
Cool.
That's what it's all about.
But no, them are two fine, really specimens of hogs here.
What do you think that one goes? 250?
250, I'd say minimum, really.
Yeah.
This one's probably I'm gonna say 125 to 150.
Yeah.
They're really blocky compared to deer. I mean, a 200-pound deer is a big deer.
Yeah, that's lanky, big.
But these carry their weight pretty hard right in their.
He's so big, or she's so big. When I first shot her, and she turned, I thought, was that a calf? 'Cause that thing's big.
Yeah, that
Big
would
small
be a
calf.
Let's get up to you.
Sure, thank you.
Still running.
Thank you, Rick.
Rick,
welcome.
I'll tell you what,
Glad
if I
you
can
guys
throw
came.
this one in
Yeah,
by
thanks.
myself.
Glad we did too.
And we hope to see you back too.
We will,
We'll
definitely.
make it happen.